going to flip the bird at Ivan Sapa. Here he comes now. Hey Ivan Sapa, you stupid Russian
Oh, whoa, 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 evil Gumdramon, how dare you to say F word and say the word S word? That's it. I'm calling your nice clone about this. Hello, is this Gumdramon speaking? Yes, you will not believe what that your evil clone did. He said to flap the bird at me, and he say the F word and S word. Can you please grounded him? Okay, bye.
Evil Gumdramon, how dare you flip the bird at Ivan Sipov and say F word and S word? That's it. You are grounded for 10 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wait.